Hi, I'm Dr. George Wilson, and today I'm going to show you a quick and effective massage routine that targets tension in your buttocks and thighs, helping you relax, recover, and move more comfortably in just a few minutes. If your glutes or thighs feel tight from sitting, exercise, or just long days on your feet, this session could be exactly what your muscles need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to relieve tension, improve circulation, and feel lighter and more flexible, all with simple massage techniques you can do at home. First, let's understand why tension builds in these areas. The glutes and hamstrings are two of the most active muscle groups in your lower body. They stabilize your hips, support your back, empower movements like walking, running, and climbing stairs. But long periods of sitting, poor posture, or intense exercise can create tight spots, soreness, and even mild pain. Before starting, it's best to warm up your muscles slightly. Stand up and gently sway side to side, or take a few steps to get blood flowing. A warm muscle responds better to massage and is less likely to feel tender. Next, grab your massage gun or use your hands if you prefer manual therapy. Set your device to a low or medium intensity and start with broad, gentle strokes over your buttocks. Spend about 60 seconds per side, moving slowly to cover the entire muscle. You're waking up the tissue, increasing circulation, and preparing it for deeper work. Breathe deeply as you massage. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This helps your muscles relax further. After warming up, it's time to focus on areas that feel tight or sore. Move the massage gun in small, circular motions over knots in your glutes and hamstrings. If you find a tender spot, pause for 20 to 30 seconds, letting the percussion waves penetrate the tissue. Avoid pressing too hard. The key is consistency and gentle pressure. Think of it as coaxing the muscle to release tension, rather than forcing it. Once the tight spots are addressed, glide the massage gun from your lower buttock down to the back of your thigh in smooth, slow strokes. Repeat this for 1 to 2 minutes per side, keeping movement steady and rhythmic. This helps flush out lactic acid, improve blood flow, and reduce overall stiffness. Pro tip: angle the massage head slightly along the muscle fibers rather than pressing straight down. This gives a deeper, more comfortable massage and protects sensitive areas like your lower back. Finally, reduce the intensity of your massage gun to a gentle setting. Use broad, sweeping motions over the entire glute and thigh area for 30 to 40 seconds. This helps calm the muscles and signals to your nervous system that the session is ending. Follow up with light stretches. Seated hamstring stretch. Reach toward your toes gently. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per leg. Figure 4 glute stretch. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee and gently lean forward for 20 to 30 seconds. Stretching after massage locks in flexibility, prevents soreness, and keeps your muscles relaxed longer. Stay hydrated before and after your massage. Water helps flush toxins released during therapy. Perform this routine 3 to 5 times per week for consistent results. Pair massage with short walks or light movement to keep your muscles active and prevent future tension. Remember, the goal isn't to power through pain, it's to work smartly, listen to your body, and release tension gradually. And that's your quick massage routine for relieving tension in the buttocks and thighs. Do this regularly and you'll notice less soreness, better mobility, and a lighter, more comfortable feeling in your lower body. Recovery isn't just a bonus, it's a part of healthy movement and overall well-being. If this session helped you, please like this video, share it with someone who struggles with tight muscles, and subscribe for more guided recovery and massage routines. This is Dr. George Wilson, reminding you, your muscles work hard for you every day. It's time to give them the care they deserve.
And subscribe for more massage therapy guides and tips.